始。
Good morning, teacher. My name is Bella. I'm 5 years old. I'm studying in Poikiu International Kindergarten. And my favorite color is pink because pink is colorful. And my favorite food is apple because apple is yummy. I like singing. My favorite song and my favorite song is Let It Go because there has a girl. It's pretty called Elsa. And then also I enjoy to swimming. I can make a new friend and keeps me healthy. When I grow up, I want to be a nurse because nurse can help everybody. This is of my aunt sharing. Thank you.